Hey guys, my name is Nate Robbins and I'm the Acquisitions Director for Fixated Real Estate, a high volume fix and flip company here in Seattle and Tacoma. And I just want to give a huge shout out to our good friends at Heaton and Dainard. They are by far one of our best partners for acquiring off-market deals. And here's a couple things why I love them so much. Number one is they always have something cooking. There's always a deal coming down the pipe with them. And so anytime there's a lull in our own marketing, I can call them and within a couple hours or a couple days, we'll have several deals to review. And these deals aren't just those hairy, thin margin deals that you're gonna lose money on. They actually have meat on the bone. And for any of you guys that work with wholesalers, you know sometimes that can be an issue. But their deals are good and they always have them coming in. The other thing I like about them is that they actually send you a ton of information to make an effective decision quickly. Again, not to throw a lot of other wholesalers under the bus, but most wholesalers will send you an address with 3 or 4 pictures. Definitely not enough information to make a decision. Heaton Dainard does something a lot better than that. They're gonna send you a ton of photos. They're gonna send you a P&L sheet to go over all the numbers and different exit strategies. They're gonna send you a scope of work so you can check your own numbers on the rehab budget. All these things allow me to then make a quick and informed decision whether or not the project is good for us. And most of the time, if their numbers check out, our numbers are gonna check out. We trust their numbers implicitly. And so I can't speak highly enough of these guys. We know them on a personal level, and I can speak to their integrity, their knowledge, and they're just good people. So if you're looking for a better partner to find more off-market deals, if you want to get your first deal, if you want better support in your projects, reach out to these guys, get a part of what they're doing, go to their classes, sign up with them today, and I know you're going to find them to be a great partner like we have over the last many years. So that's it for me. I know you're going to like them as much as I do, and we'll see you on the next one.